Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and in this video I would like to talk about um, how you as a small business owner can track your employees' performance. And I will post the link to an article that I have written about this topic below in the video description. But basically, um, the the final thoughts, so to speak, is use the best way to track employee performance basically is to use a computer monitoring software that you install on each of your employees' computers. A computer monitoring software like wolfeye.de, you see here wolfeye.de, you can download it, install it on each of your employees' computers, so you will be able to open your browser um, and see on your browser, you will see each of your employees' live computer screens in front of you as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself. This is what this software, Wolfeye Remote Screen, is the name of the software that you can freely download within a trial period from our website, wolfeye.de. And this is how it looks like. I will open the link for this computer that I'm just recording this video so that you see how it looks like. Yeah. So you will have, this is I'm opening, uh, um, oh, I didn't want to show this. Okay, doesn't matter. So basically that's it. Okay. Um, Basically that's it. You will see in front of you the live screens of all of your employees' computers, and will be able to evaluate and to monitor the performance and to track the employees' performance for each of your employees that are working within your business. So this is what I recommend. Um, the problem is, or the thing is, you have to take legal advice um, if in your country and in your situation you are allowed to employ and install this kind of software on your employee's computer. So the first thing I want to say, please take legal advice from your lawyer if you in your country and in your situation can use this software, because there are countries, and I will tell you, I will name some countries that there is no problem that you can do it, and there are others like the US and in Europe, in Germany, for example, where we are located, others um, that only allow it within a certain circumstances and within some boundaries. For example, there are countries that only allow that you monitor if you have some suspicious about something that you want to track. Um, so um, but on the other hand, for example, in South American countries and Middle American countries like Mexico, Chile, Peru, Nicaragua, Panama, but also in Brazil, you basically do not have any laws that prevent you from monitoring all your employees' computers with Wolfeye Remote Screen. So please, what I ask you, we do not give legal advice. Take legal advice from your lawyer so that you know for you, yourself, your company, your situation, your country, if you can install Wolfeye Remote Screen. And yeah, that's basically it in this video. I will do a three-part version of this video. So this is the first part in which I want to tell you that that the best way to track your employees' performance, of course, is that you see the live screen of each of your employees live as if you were sitting in front of it, but without your employee noticing anything about the surveillance. That's, of course, the best way um, um, that you can track the performance of each of your employees. That's really the best way. And the best software, that's the second part of this video that I talked, is Wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download here from our website at wolfeye.de. And in the next video, I would like to present you the software and to show you how you install it and how or what you would do if you as a business owner wanted to install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your employees' computer. So I hope this helps. Let me copy this because